Hi, welcome to Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. In this very short video I'm going to show you how to take off this air filter cover on this Mountfield HP414 petrol lawnmower. This has got a Mountfield RS100 engine, which is 100cc. I've done a full service video on this. If you look in the top right hand corner now, you can go ahead and watch that. I'm going to put a link to that full service video in the description of this video and in a card at the end of it as well. I've also filmed a video on how to remove the spark plug, which is really awful to get out, and I'll put that underneath this video as well if you want to watch that, and at the end of the video. But for now I want to show you how to get this air filter box off on this mower, because I've done a few repairs on these. I've done hundreds of repairs you'll find on my channel, and on this mower, if you press this catch here, what I find a lot of the time is you can't get the air filter box off. See how that's come open? When it pushes back, it kind of gets stuck, and I'm going to show you how to release that if it gets stuck. And I guess kind of the problem when you don't know how it opens as well is which way it opens. Well, it actually opens like that. I'm going to show you the problems we have, and I'm going to show you how to get it open if this catch doesn't work. So what happens with this air filter box is when you put this back on, or when it's assembled, this actual box ends up too far into the other part on the top here. And you can see when you press this little catch here, it kind of makes a noise, and you actually can't get this off. So what you need to do to remove this, if it does get stuck, is you need to get a flat-headed screwdriver and put it down this side. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. You can see which way around the lawnmower is. This is obviously the front and it's the back, the same way it was before. If I zoom in here, you see this little clip here. What you need to do is get a flat-headed screwdriver down the back of this clip here, like that, and just poke it in from the back, and it'll actually pop out. And that's all you need to do, just to unhook this air filter, because this can be a real pain to get off. If you are having problems with your lawnmower and you're just removing this to have a look inside, don't forget I've got a full service video on this RS100 engine, which is specifically for this Mountfield 414 type of mower, and that is coming up right now on the left hand side of your screen, and on the right hand side of the screen you'll also see the video on how to remove this spark plug. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if I've helped you out. I'll see you again next time.